Defect analysis can be extremely valuable in predicting material performance, especially in metals or ceramic powder. In performing defect analysis in EM data, variation in feature contrast and background noise can pose challenges for an accurate automated solution. In the past, identifying crack size in particles would be achieved by manually annotating the defects and measuring the point-to-point size. As we apply the recipe, we see that MIPAR is able to quickly and accurately detect the defects and output the count and size. These measurements are critical for correlating powder manufacturing processes to material performance. With the cracks identified and measured, it's relatively straightforward to produce a report from the measurement. Accurate detection, measurement, and report generation is available for when the operator is measuring a single micrograph or a batch of 1,000.